Are you tired of spending hours cleaning your house? We get it. The relentless cycle of dusting, mopping, and scrubbing can feel like a never-ending chore. And let's not even get started on those stubborn stains that just refuse to budge. But don't fret. There are ways to make this task less daunting. Efficient solutions exist to transform your cleaning routine. In this video, we will share with you 12 mind-blowing cleaning tips that will save you time and effort. Let's get started. Starting with our first tip, keep your tools clean. It's a simple yet often overlooked aspect of cleaning. Your brooms, dusters, and mop heads can't perform at their best if they're harboring dirt and dust from previous cleanings. Regularly give them a good shake, rinse, or even a wash to keep them in tip-top shape. Moving on, our second tip is a game changer. Dusting with a lint roller. Yes, you heard right. This sticky little tool is not just for your clothes. It's perfect for quickly picking up dust and debris from lampshades, bookshelves, and even your beloved pet's favorite spots. Lastly, for our third tip, let's talk about windows. There are eyes to the world, but they can get pretty grimy. The solution? Vinegar. This pantry staple cuts through the grime without leaving streaks. Mix equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle, and you're good to go. These first 3 tips are just the beginning. Let's move on to the next ones. Now, onto our fourth tip, use baking soda for stubborn stains. Baking soda is not just for baking, folks. It's a superstar in the world of cleaning. If you have a stubborn stain that refuses to go away, fear not. Just make a paste of baking soda and a little water, apply it to the stain, let it sit for a while, and voila! Watch as the stain bows down to the might of baking soda. Moving on to the 5th tip, let's bring in the lemons. Yes, you heard it right. Lemons. If your microwave is looking a little grimy, cut a lemon in half, squeeze the juice into a bowl of water, drop the halves in, and microwave it. The steam from the lemon-infused water will loosen up the grime and make it a breeze to wipe away. And for our 6th tip, let's repurpose toothpaste. Got annoying watermarks on your wood furniture? Toothpaste can help. Just rub a bit of non-gel toothpaste on the watermark, wipe it off, and admire your watermark-free furniture. Isn't it amazing how everyday items can make cleaning so much easier? But wait till you hear our next tips. Our 7th tip is to use a squeegee to remove pet hair. Now we know what you're thinking. A squeegee, really? But trust us, it's a game changer. This tool isn't just for window cleaning. You can use it on your furniture, carpets, and even your car seats to effectively gather all those stubborn pet hairs. Next up, let's talk about your garbage disposal. It can be a real challenge to keep it clean and fresh. But here's a tip. Use ice and salt. The ice sharpens the blades, while the coarse salt helps to remove grime and odor. It's a quick and easy solution to a smelly problem. Finally, have you ever tried to clean a ceiling fan, only to end up with a face full of dust? Well, our 9th tip is to use a pillowcase. Just slip the pillowcase over each blade and pull it back slowly. The dust stays in the case, not on your floor or in your lungs. With these tips, you'll be able to tackle some of the most stubborn cleaning problems. But we're not done yet. Our 10th tip is to use a hairdryer to remove water rings. Now, isn't that ingenious? Moving on to tip 11, try cleaning your blinds with vinegar and a sock. Sounds odd, but it works wonders. Finally, tip 12, use a pastry brush to sweep crumbs out of your toaster. It's the perfect tool for the job. And that concludes our list. With these 12 mind-blowing cleaning tips, you'll save time and effort, making your house sparkle like never before. Remember, the secret to efficient cleaning is not working harder, but smarter. Thank you for watching, and happy cleaning!